Alright, hey guys, here we are. We're back again for another video. This is my 2022 Corolla Hatchback. Liking the car a lot so far. You've been seeing some of my little review videos and different things. So we picked up another item on Amazon. Not sure if y'all are interested also, but do a quick review of these. They're little mats, rubber mats that go in your cup holders and stuff just to keep, so you can take them out and clean them easier rather than getting down the cup holder and some of your other little storage compartments. Take a closer look at these and see what you think. Alright guys, here we are just right here in the back of the car. Just come in a plastic bag here. Pull them out. I went with the white since my car is white. So just to see what's in here real quick. So some of these look like these are going to be for your front doors. Just regular old cup holder. These look like for the rear doors where you pull the door closed and whatnot. Regular cup holder. Front, no, this is probably the rear cup holders back that fold down out of the seats. Cup holders, so I guess you got enough for the front and rear, the two rear doors, and for the two in the center console in the front. The other rear door for the little handle puller when you pull it closed. Sorry for the noise. This is your compartment in your center console, the aft side. Just your regular compartment. And this is the little cubby hole compartment in the rear, in that back part of the console for the people sitting in the rear to put stuff in. So that's them. They seem a good quality. What's funny about these is I actually noticed, and it's hard to see for you, but when I stick it down somewhere dark or whatever, this white, not only is it white, but once it's exposed to the light for a bit, it actually glows in the dark. It's actually kind of cool. Not that it'll really help you out with anything, but just, I don't know, kind of a neat feature, but pretty thick. Quality seems good. It's also, you know, going to be an anti-skid for stuff in there, like in your compartment, or I don't know, but they're nice. Take them out and clean them real quick. It's also got a little tab, so when you go to put these in there, right, they're going to be hard to get out. So you just grab the little tab, be able to pull that out, and it looks like all of them have it. See, they just got the little, to be able to help you lift them out of the hole once they're in there, and they all have that, every single one of them. So it's right there. So it's actually really cool. So let's go ahead and put these in and see what you think about them. See what I think about them. All right. So coming into the front here, kind of laid them out on the seat. There's the passenger driver's side. So we'll just lay these in. So here's the cup holders. See, they're kind of plain. Oh, there you can kind of see it glowing in the dark right there. So cool. All right, so that's that one. Actually fit really good. That's that one there. And again, there we go. You can see them glowing in the dark. So then coming to this little compartment, there's that little guy. He'll just fit right down in there. It's a really nice fit. And again, you can see that when I block the light. Glowing in the dark. All right, so now take this. They're super easy to install, guys. This lays right in there. It just gives a little touch of flair, I guess. And like I said, you can get different colors. I did white because the car's white. But you can get red, blue, whatever. Kind of match your interior. See, I got the white stitching. Let's head over to the other side. Throw that one in. Boom, installed. All right, let's head to the back, see what that looks like. All right, we're at the back seat of the car. So these are for the doors right here. You got one for the cup holder. You got one for the super secret flip down cup holders. So we'll throw that one in real quick. Now this one here, I'm a little skeptical on, as in, I mean, it's nice to have. Like I said, it fits really good, but I think when you flip it up and down, see how it's kind of moving? You might want to double side tape that just to hold that in a little bit better, so when you flip this up, it doesn't fall. Okay, there's also another little cubby down here, so that's what this guy's for. Just kind of sits right there. Kind of gives it a little look. All right, we'll come around back to the door. Just drops right in. It doesn't get no easier than this, guys. Take this one, stick him in. Just like that. It's actually a really nice fit too. Let's see if we can get a good shot of it. Not really, it's just buried in there. And there's that one, and like I said, whenever, you know, when somebody's back here and they just kind of look like, oh man, that looks pretty good. And with the white, I like it. And again, you can get them in different colors. Let's head to the other side. Throw these couple in on the passenger side rear seat. One. This one's a little bit trickier. You want to stick this end in first and just drop it in. Just kind of get your fingers under there. Drop it in. Just like that. Looks nice. The only complaint I have about the interior on this car is this gloss black. It's like, you see any dust, dirt, fingerprints, anything. This kind of drives me crazy. Might get something to go over top of this. Maybe some carbon fiber look, or even a matte black or anything. But these look nice and fit really good. All right, let's wrap it up. All right, that's it on the review of the mats for your door cup holders. I think they call them anti-dust mats on Amazon for the description. I'll leave a link in the description of this video down below. If you're interested, I think they were like 17 bucks. I think they'll be nice to be able to pull them out, clean them, whatever. You can get different colors. You could accent your interior. If you have red, maybe interior lights, you could do red on there. You want to accent your interior in red, you could put those mats in there for 17 bucks. It's just something that not everybody pays, you know, actually does something to. So when people get in, they'll notice that. They'll see it and be like, oh man, those are pretty cool. Whether it be blue, red, whatever color you can get on there. Like I said, I'll leave a link. You can click on it and go there and, I don't know, kind of see what color you like, or if you want them or don't want them. Hopefully this kind of clears up some questions you may have had on whether you might want them or not want them, but they do fit good. They made out of nice thick material. Seem like they're going to last a long time. Anyway, I appreciate you watching. Like and subscribe if you would. I'm going to be doing more videos. I got more stuff coming for this car, little mods and different things, just to try to help people out, so that let me be your guinea pig, I guess, so to speak. I'll spend the money and see how it looks or works or whatever, and hopefully you don't have to. All right, we'll see you in the next one. I appreciate it.